Hi class, today we're going to go over a polynomial long division problem. Every division problem has two parts. The first part of the division problem is called the dividend because that is the part that is being divided. The second part is called the divisor because that is the quantity we're dividing by. Let's go ahead and set up our division problem. On the inside, we're going to put our dividend 4x to the fourth plus 12x cubed plus 7x squared plus x plus 6. And on the outside, we're going to put our divisor negative 2x plus 3. Now that I have my setup, I'm going to focus on the first terms for each of my dividend and my divisor. I'm going to ask myself what I need to multiply negative 2x by to get to 4x to the fourth. To get 4x to the fourth, I need to multiply negative 2x to the third power. One way I can figure this out is I can take 4x to the fourth and divide it by negative 2x. 4 over negative 2 is negative 2. And then x to the fourth over x is x to the third. Once I have this value on the top, I'm going to multiply it back into my divisor, and I'm going to put it underneath. Negative 2x cubed times negative 2x is 4x to the fourth. Negative 2x cubed times 3 is negative 6x cubed. At this point, just like what I would normally do with division, I'm going to subtract that quantity. When I subtract, I need to remember to distribute the negative. The first value should always cancel out, and then I have 12x cubed plus 6x cubed, which is 18x cubed. And then I'm going to bring down the next term, 7x squared. Just like where we were when we started, we're going to again look at the first term, negative 2x and 18x cubed. What do I need to multiply negative 2x by to get 18x cubed? And that is negative 9x squared. Again, another way to figure that value out is I can do 18x cubed divided by negative 2x. And that was another way to get that. Once I have that negative 9x squared, again, I'm going to distribute it back. Negative 9x squared times negative 2x is 18x cubed. And then negative 9x squared times 3 is negative 27x squared. After distributing that back in, we're going to subtract again. When I subtract, I need to again remember to distribute the negative so that this cancels out. 7x squared plus 27x squared is 34x squared. And then we bring it down the next term plus x. Now we look at 34x squared and again negative 2x. What do I need to multiply negative 2x by to get 34x squared? I need to multiply by a negative 17x. Once I have that negative 17x, multiply it back in. Negative 17x times negative 2x is positive 34x squared. Negative 17x times 3 is negative 51x. I'm going to again subtract. Distribute my negative. X plus 51x is 52x, and I'm finally going to bring down the last term, which means I am almost done. So I again ask myself the same question. I look at 52x and I look at negative 2x. Negative 2x times what will give me 52x? Negative 2x times negative 26. And then we're going to distribute that all back in again. Negative 26 times negative 2 is positive 52x. And then negative 26 times 3 is going to give us negative 78. We're going to go ahead and subtract again. Distribute the negative. 6 plus 78 is equal to 84. And there's nothing else here left to bring down, which means that is my remainder. To write my remainder, I'm going to put it back up top, and I'm going to put plus 84 over what my divisor was, negative 2x plus 3. So my answer to the division problem is this.